gonna make wiggly worms. So I told you in our circle time, a rainy day is a great time to go outside and look for worms because they start to come to the surface. Sometimes you can see them on your sidewalks and see them in your driveways. But this wiggly worm experiment, we're gonna be using gummy worms, like we did with our gummy bears. So the ingredients we need baking soda, vinegar, water, and gummy worms. That's it, simple and easy. So to start, you're gonna take 1 cup of warm water and put it into a jar. I already started and I'll tell you why. And then you take your wiggly worms, or your gummy worms, and you're just gonna put a little bit of baking soda on top of them because you wanna cut them in half, and the baking soda makes it a little bit easier to cut them. And then once you've cut them, you put them inside here and you add 3 tablespoons. So I already did this. So I put 3 tablespoons into my water. I mix it up. I put my gummy worms inside. You can do it before or after, it doesn't matter. And then you have to set a timer. I set my timer on my microwave for 15 minutes. And then when the timer goes off, you take your gummy worms out. Ooh, they're so wiggly. They're hiding. There we go. Here's one. Here comes 2. And 3. So inside this jar is the vinegar, and only vinegar. That's it. And what you'll notice, and you have to give it a little bit, is that in a little while the baking soda will react to the vinegar and your worms will start to wiggle, they'll start to move, and they'll start to dance. So you can you see it on that side? Mm-hmm. You can see it moving? Yeah. So it's just fun to watch them. Are they starting to creep and crawl? Mm-hmm. Yeah. These over here are too. I don't know if I can turn the jar for you to see, but it looks like one is chasing after the other. You can see that.
They're bubbling.
Yeah, that's from the baking soda. It's the reaction to the vinegar. Touching it. So play around with your wiggly worms, give them some time and they'll start to float and move around. This is one of those experiments that you have to use your good weighting and your eyes to watch what happens. And it's super fun. And then when you're done, you can make more and add them inside. And watch your wiggly worms dance around together. So a good fun rainy day activity, friends. Have fun with it, enjoy, and then when you're done, you can eat the gummy worms, but don't eat the ones in there. They won't taste very good. All right, bye friends.